आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, here our question is choose the correct statement. Option number 1, alveoli increases the surface area for exchange of gases. Option number 2, oxygen from alveolar air diffuses into blood and CO2 from blood diffuses into alveolar air. Option number 3, from the larynx the air goes to pharynx. And option number 4, the trachea is not connected to bronchi. Okay, so now we will understand like during breathing. Okay, whenever we breathe there is a certain pathway or certain passage through which the air travels. Okay, first of all the air goes into nasal cavity. Okay, from nasal cavity it goes into pharynx. From pharynx it goes into larynx. Okay, from larynx it goes into trachea. Okay, now this trachea thing get divided into two bronchi. Okay, two bronchi, the one which goes into left side and the other which goes into right side. Okay, from bronchi the air this bronchi gets divided into smaller or primary bronchioles. Okay, from primary bronchioles it goes into secondary bronchioles. Okay, and from secondary bronchioles it goes into alveoli. Okay, now this alveoli, this is secondary bronchiole, primary bronchiole, and this bronchi is present inside the lungs. Okay, now inside the lungs there are millions of alveoli. Okay, this alveoli provides the millions of a million alveoli increases the surface area inside the lungs for the exchange of gases. Okay, now what happens, just suppose this is your alveoli. Okay, and this alveoli is surrounded by blood capillaries. Now what happens, any air which comes in contact, like during breathing, when we breathe the air comes in contact, and what happens, like the oxygen goes into this blood capillary. Okay, and from this blood capillary the CO2 goes inside this alveoli. Okay, this is how the exchange of gases occurs in alveoli. Now the statement is saying that alveoli increases the surface area for the exchange of gases. This is true because of the millions of number it increases the surface area. Option number 2, oxygen from alveolar air diffuses into blood and CO2 from blood diffuses into alveolar air. Now this option is also correct. Option number 3, from the larynx the air goes into pharynx. Statement is wrong because the air is traveling from pharynx to larynx. The option number 4, the trachea is not connected to bronchi. This option is also not correct because trachea divides into two bronchi. So here we can say that option number 1 and option number 2 are the correct statement.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।